Hello friends, hello sir, good afternoon. Today I would like to tell about the most memorable vacation with my family. That is Goa trip. We planned a short Goa trip because Goa is one of the well known for its beaches and places of worship. In March 2012, we went to Goa with all my family. When I reached Goa, we first visited the old Goa church. It was very amazing, and in church we had prayed some time. Then we went to have breakfast. After breakfast, as the Goa is famous for its for beaches, we went to Baga beach, and we enjoyed very lot in Baga beach, and we had a great time on the ocean's sand. Then we hired one boat to ride. We all sat in boat. The boat was slowly moving, and the waves of moving up and down gave us a scary feeling to us. We all ladies were scared, and we decided to go back. And my one of my co-sister's son also scared very much. He was started crying, and he wanted to go back, but only my son was not scared. He was enjoying the ride, and he was just 5 years old on that time. So we did not went back. We went forward, and we saw dolphins, sharks, and many big fishes, and also central jail. After riding after riding our boat, we came back, and then we had our lunch, and then visited one temple, that is Mangesh temple. It is also a very amazing temple. And then we done we have photo session. Then we did shopping and enjoyed a lot in Baga beach before returning back to hometown. So the Goa trip is one of the most memorable trip in my life, and we enjoyed a lot, and also we scared a lot. So I never forget that moment. It was very amazing trip to us. So I want to tell all of you, Goa is definitely one of the best places one should visit at least once in lifetime. So this is about my Goa trip, and thank you very much to listening to me. Thank you.